Hello, Storytime friends. Many moons ago, you visited here at Ladybug Farm and we planted some potatoes. Today, those potatoes have grown and grown and grown. These are some fingerling potatoes that still have a little bit of growing to do. Let's go find the potatoes that we planted together. Those potato plants barely look alive above the ground. They are hidden in here among the calendula flowers and among the horseradish. Let's see what's hidden underground beneath this potato plant. Look what is under there. We have some purple potatoes. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. I wonder if we will find more. Okay, friends, you saw us plant this entire bed many moons ago with many potato plants. However, we had 2 late frosts that did kill many of our potato plants. Our horseradish and our calendula is still growing, but let's see how many potatoes we got. It's not many. That's it, but they are still beautiful. Let's go see if we can find another bed of potatoes. I know we will have more luck there. This bed here is full of potatoes and bee balm, butterfly weed, hyssop, buckwheat flower for the bees, and cucumbers to grow up the trellis. The foliage, or the greens, on these potato plants are starting to die, but they're not quite ready yet. But I've noticed something that is very alarming. Do you see anything red here? This is the larvae of a potato beetle, and they will eat all of my potato plants. So I am going to harvest these potatoes and eat them for dinner before the potato beetles destroy the whole plant. Earl Grey has come to help us dig potatoes too. Much better luck with these potatoes. Some look normal, and some look very strange. All stuck at the roots, at the bottom of the potato plant. That potato just got too close to the sun and it started to turn green. Look what else is there, making the soil nice and healthy. wonderful earthworm. We shall put him back into the soil. Look at this. It is the skin of the mother potato that we put in many months ago. This tuber is what grew the whole plant. We grew many new potatoes from an old potato. Goodbye, Storytime friends. Thanks for joining us on this potato adventure. Have a beautiful summer.